Offices na ye won kwana hode wona bibie ekoso pa. The first time I will share any. And I'm privileged to have you here.
If you had that.
Aye. And I haso a wo be for the first time. Me na what na ha. Did you mind? I'm proud of you so because Ghana wama ewiase ye bo apomuden nim die mu a. In fact, wama Ghana ni mu ate. But first of all, before see me NPP and no memuno, ma me misa okakra akoma mu apomuden ehwe Ghana na bi ni ha. See ye operation pa wa akoma mu ni ade na bi ni ha. But o kodi udwuma wa abrochi kama na nke fin se ho na sabiu sika wo bebre ni ade. Den na influence o ma wo di dwumadie be pie Ghana ma. Now ye bo Professor Frimpong Boateng dia ewum so wura amamuo mu ni ade de, but that is one of the things I de kai wo pa say we dey raise Ghana. Then they motivate you ma wo sane ba down.
See the onim no the thing there wo be Ghana has it and I'm a medical course no.
Right.
Na me ko Germany ko ye postgraduate. Into aso no.
Right.
Na say na me ko no and me kakra bi si. And say go medical school. Now I could have a friend Teresa. Near friend Teresa. I don't know about papers.
Right.
I'm so holding heart.
Okay.
And I pesca, they are quite butchery. Yeah, Scanama, and I'm a friend we are. Come team. Nothing so a command operational. Then I'm a chassis organ. Okay. Professor Eastman.
Right.
No chassis or yeah. Patient did kind of Ghana has in 1964.
1964.
And
right.
So technology you see not just any more to say the US be honest at Tiano.
Okay.
Now ye cool no after the 66 no and is more or jay. And you may be in the hand money giant to giant open her surgery no. Right. Free one a doctor for baby and semi buy. Somebody come out operational. And so animu. Me kwa bochi no nyina wo metrim. Yes so bi ono say me nkasa papa wo me na o di be 24 years. O ye fu wo tano dumase. No be kuma say abeto enema ko na fum. Eno nya kwanhia wo kufo kam nya hikwam ho eno ka baby.
Right.
Na wangu hwano na edinko bi ni hospital. Na say de chomo cheche me no.
Right.
Satana me say mama 4 months later na wo me.
Yeah.
Nti ma hu hwe na ashom ka kire me no. They just say onya internal bleeding, he bled into the chest. Cavity. And as I'm so no na nim de bia ni ho ametima aboa no. Think obi a won on the spot or no akoda hospital one day. And no think na enka
give you bit me a section cry.
Yeah, on bit my those are food people Ghana for na chikra anka.
Bit
my aboa no.
Yeah.
Enti sanya na me say o say and I'm quite papa be so Germany wa ono no ya kuma operation ono invite me.
Right.
Enti me say dey me ne betra na fe besua ade na me bafia betimi dey aboa. Eni kire ma ye akuma operation.
Na say o hwe na ye ware ho se Ghana fo ni bi fa we mu ayintimi support wo mu. But then so far o hwe o legacy a waja wachire wo bai wo na edi hu pa se wani abre wo pese wo establish wo expand even cardio thoracic center no ne ade. But so far obetimi aka se wani age ba bia bedri that speciality no
no dey be
ade
me emfasi here na da che beka ho asem if say simple
ehia yi o
minim sa me so hia me pa nti o say here MRPA Rebecca and Wasem.
Because my tisse no maybe a cost even some of them. Oh, my suggestions cry and PCFA. A hono, but meaning so wouldn't deal with that field. And why are they not taking advice out there?
Me best make a business now. The make can say investment also here in equipment, any training, no, and so said also a cosmo. And I'm NPP a catchy. And so just say nipo ha. One woman in Diana, a bomb can commit me aye, and so I'm one a ma enti and you may Peter and my one of them. And I'm because I can't, I never seen or Sadia Hunty. And maybe Tremor, maybe bad, the best I shall be in Yakan Hassam.
Matisse already create me who no watch your pain, crash your moping at the meeting. And that's a get to a hamiso.
We're so happy, but I'm just saying, maybe ever come once. You be doing come pa.
Infante. Now, as a professional, medically, na specialist, then the influence of real politics.
No, say politics in the OBI politics. Say I mean, me the whole medicine. Yeah, I ran into hospitals and never be tried there. Now, who's a politics? No, who any year? Na say who don't power do maya.
Okay.
Who to me? I would be there. Never be.
Okay.
Ghana, you see watch it. Now he will be a conwa. I will hope.
Right.
And you know, say the bum can be. Then I say in point in Miansa, Nemo, the denim dear near Nipa Hodo, near my Hodo, Echo Kahua, and I can better manasa.
But over a minister for environment, science, technology, and innovation, and Ananado Danko Kufuado. In himself, no mabe brain and a nisua, Opesenka, now Odeba. Oh, back here. And no mabe na utumi, because when you are jemu to me accomplish and what you are when you and those things are oceans who I say nanka pese bapa and to me answer that and because you read yes science technology semno kra and sana environment a huge problem for us and then I will show what here okay say and they are your legacy even at that ministry Ebuasisi
she say I will focus the poverty gap is a technology gap. Se uni technology o de baby bia ebehiam yetimika se Ghana ha ye wo nyamia ye ache nyama brebe we have breast with natural resources so natural resources you can be say natural resources have no natural owners natural resources bia na wo ukrom anso nya wo dia
right
so uni sika uni nim dia ya wo de ba kotwe ade no a Ubi beba be fani na amount 10%.
Yeah.
You just say you pakro be twen na amount sika no amount 10% no. On na ye dia. No tin na you gold, you bauxite, you diamond, you manganese. Then so baby ati and yet so it's a question of science and technology. And no tin na be minister no. You can say be conference be bridging the technology gap. Kwa me ne be fa so a sa e benya technology wo kroma sei. Ti minister man pin anim. And or due to say yes or say yes again. Okay. Into the ministry, no, any Ghana Institution of Engineering. You just talk what for campaigning only economist, Papa.
Right.
Who name the boundaries of an economist. And see Okohun enough for MasterCard Foundation.
Right.
Maisika. Need a big conference we were PDC. Ghana for more Boateng, America, Germany by baby transit 3 days. You pay quite a bedroom one, very technology gap. You shabby, and so Eddie Cotra Benim, San Giano, a bad fine judgment
on technology.
Technology. Emma, about said, a Cassibasi foundry, any machine tool center.
Okay.
Foundry, no. Just an email, Ube beyond to say, we share a demacia, you may be a foundry, Juma, and a machine tooling so. With the Abba Funuma to say the magazine are more late in my name. You will later no computer a day. To make my idea come or in P.
Okay.
So when you said with my spare parts, with my video, Juma, what carbon or in Fidia. I said, when you go, Chroma said, dear, can't be anyone. What's it with my idea? And to me, I say, and crying. She said, Danke, baby. And now, if you're Fabian one and some Jago. Yeah, if you did cry by 6 years in it, we go on, we should be say. And so there are 2 entities for him, sir, or Mushe, no, I don't know, Bois or Mano. Now, you should say, or so, some nom there, so my answer there. Yes, I'll say a tremor be a home in Vienna or to us.
Nada na one casa menkane say government. Wow, government I work join you are within the party a bar by it's like what this idea which Kagana could be a bit me your first model car at the true technology and normal we establishing in a bit media yaka say Ghana carry apart from era kantanka dia nanko ye any other even medical equipment they now we nyina beti produce di amaye na ye gap ye medical equipment na no konfo no che doctor bi owu yes catheterization keke mfidie no krebi ni ha, and this technology could have provided say beti me amaye nya sa we num nyina di ntina wan ban ehu say ni suade hu ni ya moa
well any bisa abenura de no oti odo enim
ana do dam ko akufuado ohun eni suade hu nana
wo hu enso me timi kirase se de eya anti sa ne nyina apansam just Sambia Krano, o mame ko sa Sunyani Technical University. No mo ye bibi o smart mame ko kasa o.
Okay.
Na ko ha. En niema wo hono, ye free bibi mechatronics, mechanical engineering, electronic engineer, one more specialization any automobile.
Yeah.
Nti me hu wo mo na me ka say nyame boa within 2 years o say Ghana it be a prototype of an electric vehicle.
Wow.
So,
even
no. Me can say bia mechanic ke me ankasa bia wo don kai 2004 me ankasa me car Mercedes Benz 280s.
Okay.
Yi internal combustion engine free ho in your builder electrical shame ya nam dinam.
Wow.
Gideon Ejare no yes idea no. Nti tam Tesla ni me nyina ma na Ghana ha ya builder electric engine.
Ni aye bi dada.
Ya bi dada. And so
okokan ye no.
O ye da na okokan. Wo hwe Takoradi Technical University, they are into oil and gas.
Okay.
And they say, Yakasi, University will know oil and gas. They are doing a banner woman. Yan Chemo, we are one of the certificates now compared to baby. So we must have a program.
Okay.
You organize it. To be some say, the universities are crown. Who first one say, the universities will be. The universities are there to solve problems.
Right.
But you more resources, no. Professor Zibia being Seja. And so, which was our assignment. Even the account being said, 200 no, and Uncle Jankuba here, when saw Jankuba.
Yeah, Jankuba.
Which to answer, what from Boom.
Yeah,
Jankuba, PDM, Jankuba, the woman.
Wow.
When I'm called primary school. Now, you could hear German phone boy, may I could hear energy system be all. I say hybrid energy. Yeah, biogas.
Okay.
Pyrolysis. And a solar a carbon system be at the same time no the machines are no environmental work say Robert go from no the bed down baby in run a pro no be biogas you shall say no German folk say and come be side no 10 old regions no regional capitals no.
Oh okay. Yeah, former 10 regions
but ko no maybe free one apansam uko ha awre ho
ehin fade no
awu Jankuba yeah university students free Kumasi free and crime e be free Sunyani e ba ho besua adwe me an say nka emfie num ekodu achi no yanka se bit my side no bi.
Wow.
That is why anti wo plan foundry wo plan machine tooling now design make ka ho anti any man do so uko hwe de ye wo north so ti Bagre Dam.
Yeah, Bagre Dam.
Yes, bia na atemi ne si o.
Flade ho ne ade a.
The last time I want to say how Friday da be. A check akra. Je si e. E ka sa ne galamse adwuma ya na me koto ho.
Yeah.
Ni hu se sa ensuo ne ba no yese bia ensuo no doso. Eno ti na ho Friday no.
Sa ne ya adwene ye.
Yeah bi. Nemo ensuo ho no the wide water basin. Eni ne the keka ho no ne nkrabata no.
Okay.
To say Coupon, Sicily, Nasia, Pasimpe, na Bogo rivers no.
Yeah.
Anya ye ma. Yeah.
Okay.
Yeah, bi o kra na. And se say free ma nyan name. Continue cows. Nyantwe kolidim.
Okay.
They say the excavators about 25 alcohol.
Right.
They quite showing.
Wow.
Subo wa na bia 15 years transition from muda. The year you na free mu e ma e muda ho. So nti sensuo to a dey say nyapanko.
Right.
Enti enema wo wan hwe ni wan na ase ya we ka se obi ade bia obi aka. Se Burkina Faso bia na yi. Ne kwati mu. Subo wo kra ya di adwene kwa kogum e ma ekoya tire ankofo nya adwene make sense here.
Mo ana mo ye artificial.
Yes.
Wow.
So we team one no beba bi mu na de adwene gum no ma ye na che say wo ma material ho nya ya no. Nti ade ba kon ye no. So we have to think no
innovative.
So
wow.
E be so ne dia him. Sir, we can Atomic Energy Commission. And you know why?
Right.
One jabber for Numa, a timia a year, Bordier Banchi, Pufra, a year come, said ye. And so, uptake, you say, be a Bamba Buana, farmers, alcohol, no Macunia, Sanim Diano, anyhow, who call CSR, and so, and we say CSR, me understand to Korea, it was sign any copia, was sign agreement.
Right.
See any Korea for Yankitahona, science and technology, say the BC Adria more be away, Nina, share. But I don't know, so dear, and I make us say, Ghana be ya, this is university for research institutions, CSR, Atomic Energy, Academy of Arts and Sciences. Any university in Kaboom. And man must say, you must say, Obu House, me economist, me ba me or money. There's no way an economist can improve this country.
But you see, it's all about money, and because I know near my day, eco energy side the whole crack crazy, all about sikasem or to 20 years, but man,
ye. Also, it's kind of balance and what to do. So now saying you come out touching and can be said my payama Bawumia kwaya mlanya juma na kaso piska kra ko economy ya first can man na mbusa say scano onko fa no hifa ko fa do ko first can no hifa we ko economy
this is scanning.
No, you have to create wealth. It's about wealth creation, job creation.
Okay.
And no Kofo Morgan said, "But maybe you know Muscano, one economist." So, who hears Uncle I feel here universities, university. When I was say, baby, a incubator company. So now incubation, no best static company be free. We have prototype product now. Now if you are BM, now call industrial scale. So we universities no free more. We are plan beyond now. We universities research institution no free more. Any year.
But you see, universities now quiet to say theoretical.
Theoretical. Na nipa no woman's car obey.
You quiet paper no kwani abefi.
No. Here, be minister and maybe call her tech here, Department of Chemical Engineering. Lady Bia, or PhD. Yeah, bono, a man hydraulic oil from castor oil plant.
Wow.
Yeah.
Hydraulic oil.
Hydraulic from castor oil plant. Oh yeah. So nipa sano. You know you can do it. You see, you have to start from there. I support to a incubator company. What started now would be castor oil plant. How many fidia? I feel had from diesel and can you do diesel?
Wow.
So fee biogas. And you might get a name of and yet the Kenya what to purpose. And any man does so because me can't
yeah.
To say sustainable it could be a friend Ghana Innovation and Research Commercialization the okay the minister no a DB program your friend Ghana Innovation and Research Commercialization Center.
Wow.
Center you co-invest in now research will be here and now your colleagues for South Africa on brain supercomputer be you see in CSIR. So to analyze all this in who be research will be here. Ne kwa be faso ebe bo omo na ebi abeye ade a ebe bo omo no. And so free wa na bibia pansam. So it's a very serious matter.
O man na enye ya adwene se call that direction. Ananse sikasem se de wo kan ne anywhere de beye.
Sika de onye bi scan de bi o ho abetim dia here. But enye ho ne adwene da. You see you have to be passionate about this.
Right.
If we don't do anything with passion, enti ufia Christian come free one. We haven't had any visionary leader or the passion to develop this nation. It's as simple as that.
Inya president Biano was saying it to do.
No.
To say Kwame Nkrumah.
Yes.
Wow. Why do you say this? Because by promises be brave. Nanado down Kufuor grab by free SHS trying to educate the ordinary Ghanaian. From why do you say
you can Obi am from President Kufuor. Because yes, be an vision no soon. But he had a very a very specific role to play. And he said, the transition from near dictatorship to Kamikami Abano. Oh, it was a PNDC time, no?
Yeah.
Sure. Now, if time, no, to say, oh, Kabimami Kabiabai. So, how to shepherd Ghana quietly and with at peace, from near dictatorship to Kamimami Kabino. And Kufuor was perfect in doing that.
Wow.
So, that is what I'll give him 100% for that.
That's Kufuor.
Yes.
Wow.
So, but when it comes to industry, science, technology, Royans 1995, called Parliament, what can I say? He was going to introduce Vision 2020. The 2020, it will be based on science, technology, and innovation. On one case, I say no. NPP power pair. The South Africa say, oh, Vision don't pair. Yeah, no pair Vision 2015. I understand it didn't move on and so pansam. After Vision 20 something, Vision 2047, Vision way. Because a dream. Because a diving also has it.
You cry started National Development Plan.
Yeah.
It's a 40 years.
Yes. Tio.
Angozire.
And then guys, Kwame Nkrumah, the 7 year. What can I document?
Sure.
7 year development plan. On and now, we are chairman of the National Development Commission. I just say NDPC, National Development Planning Commission, National Development Commission. Nkrumah was a chairperson. On what trade forward to the document.
Sure.
And say, you know where the raw material is coming from. You know where the energy is coming from.
Yeah.
You know where the factories are coming from. Who is going to work on it and the product?
It's what she be.
Right. How the service you make can say in the okay. Obviously, a free net aquapim 2047. You bet Rose Network. You bet increase from 78,000 to 250,000.
Now I promise. Okay.
One show be a scan free bar.
Right.
One show they say the say one show. When say Ghana phone be an answer. China phone be a year my. So we have to plan all these things and or say Yankasa. Yeah, Safi, yeah, baby.
I was many Professor Kwabena Frimpong Boateng, or a heart surgeon, and I think so, or a politician, wouldn't know former minister for environment, science, technology, and innovation. What can Oma or the Abananke Bebua Ghana pa? But Mamiri on the side of the environment. Now we'll try to be protect Ghana, the environment in terms of Galamsey. When you break pa na woku, in fact, Interministerial Committee on Illegal Mining Krawoche neade. I say, Okona woku ye no babi si ne. Adenokra I say instimi en sipo. Edi intina ye hu ni say.
Say according to the dream, President Kasi Nyai. Ti Galanse me asem no. Ni en titi ya. And he say, and this vope. NPP vope. And this all Kasi Galamse dia. And this NPP for no. Womina mame baako. So eti you make me ano and I'm say
na say afani nyina
afani for ompe
Galamsey no.
Yeah, we are wasting your time. Enti say the NPP for year no e yen pansam no say the environment here worse than tema na NPP for no.
Sir.
But NPP for anything mean because who anya the papa and to be to us no ya the bonia and answer here no.
Who share the extent of Galamsey na.
Yes. Me ka Galamsey me say the environment
in
the rivers, the water bodies.
Send ye Galamsey na na say no. Nti who share said ye isi kono a ano adin che time na NPP o.
O mu ina ka bum e to say obi catch me say bia o say NDC Galamsey, the NPP Galamsey.
I don't know mo ye den omu hu ni sa.
Eso mu ni mo. Yeah, but you want to come obi o ha o MP obi o say o pe skadia ko yan kan pay da chi nti no so mugum.
But o share omo a weapons wo bobo wo site omo for Galamsey say nkofu we omo shimbi omo ye illegal mining nkofu we omo wo mu ni ade pay your committee adwuma mo ye na so far we hu say ebi mu ho e bia yetimi atwe o maso ana say omutumi nya nsunsuaso bi a wo say deterrent.
Debi. Report I'm sure no. Any me pen I'm sure. And say presidency no must even share report.
Right.
Na me share kwanya e de kun Galamsey no. Any kwanya be fa so na yakua no ye de kun.
Okay.
Man ka say me ko bo bi ko do na say bi sa but say ye no na me share report. No kran kwan na me share.
one across Mbia.
No.
I almost say as a man can not say.
Rebaho. It's Milikoma presidency. Almost 2.5 years. Woman can't worry. Okay. Didn't come pen say, Yebishia, Nadia McCann, but you who internally near who says, we be to an answer, Bonibi Kra, what giant, Opesoya, Mania, Koji, proper lines, near the Opesoya, but net Saquanoso. But I must say, Emma report in the office of the president Castle from Bob White and I don't know the Casa here say. Just a very disturbing. I mean, one customer we are stabbing at the back.
So, Brenna, how do you feel?
Very bad. So, he said, me the virtual. We, 47. 47 forest reserve. Yeah. Wow. Sir John, church a man for some courage.
Wow.
So,
hey, because areas in the I'm surprised they should go there. I don't know.
Me church letter say me co-president was na me can some person me can president friend na paying for MP or can am say papa yeah with the forest I shall know he's the greatest danger to the forest of this country
because if you are going to this area there
but me can on 2 occasions see
wow
so
now they are doing for you
I can quite to say anyway and what I'm saying is we must be serious say perception man or say man ne bre dia me kan nyina no me kasema oh adofo pii from so professor dia kasa ama sabe nkofobia sabe wo mkra wo mundu woni agidi watem atem ni dia sabe ma dia wo be ma dia na why we did ka ya kwasa so
but our reputation sometimes the insult
say me ko just any me just adofo no but see we must say something I say man say me pe bia o me pe bia the Dutch one na bisa say na asem no si no de na kan o si o na me be say be matem man kan hwe wotimi ka sa
wow
na ye kan bi ama sesan aba na sesan aba na si hu kwan no a Ghana enche 5-10 years mu de be si wa say
wow on the report no me person me find bibi and someone nam na say ne say oh yes obi hia mo kokoam but report no o share dana Nicodemously o the babontin because they were not meeting you for that years.
No, 2 years. Are they?
Na uliki
no, maybe leak is a mature report. Share we need papentra. Report no. A time let's say the blame some insurance report no. They send it to my private address.
Okay.
And you say how to deal with it extremely privately. And members of the committee man catch your beer.
Oh, okay.
So that it will not leak. It will share almost 2 years, 6 months. Nanka belika and mrena mu di matem I think I will leak it, but I didn't do that. Come say no about one chance ko come myself.
Wow. But o party na wa ba me na wo hwe party no a o ye long standing member in the party. Watch our party in NPP. Ye kan mo ebebu mu din pa abakosemu a udin bebambi.
Yes, na bebambi. NPP dey na abakosemu tikiti. Na minim UP.
Yeah.
Me na o mama na Kwame Apia.
Yeah.
So now we are don't hini what to say. Oh, means what is Chief Wusu din da? Chief Wusu.
Okay.
Okay, Chief Wusu sentiment will be any. And I could see Ajima, your car, ni papa.
Sure.
Ni papa, any Chief Wusu. No, you know what to say.
Yeah, and I could say
I don't think. You put the that one no, ninti and then call you pim TV sono.
There's enough money we dada.
Tama BF Kusinum campaign my name. I mean, I Miankasa many Chima Kutua transda din komo. Seba enti minim de America.
Wow.
So
unim party no pa.
Too much.
But so wo hwe free sa time no be si sa bre ya. Party no ne tradition no wo si asesa minim de opese wo kire se osono no da so ye osono. ɛna kukurudu da so yɛ kukurudu ɛde nti na nei asɛ o ya mana yɛ sɛ NPP no koraa no kyɛ sɛ sɛ ɛni hɔ biem foforɔ koraa na yɛhuni
deɛ mbɛsɛm kyerɛ sɛ wo sɛ mpanyimfoɔ pii as I say I do so much free money say ya keka nsɛm mo atwe mo kakra
saa
who say mpanyimfoɔ pii wɔ party no mu a ɔma yɛ din na yɛhwɛ
adentia
asɛ deɛ kɔ no ɛnkɔ yie
ɛsɛ nkɛ sɛ ɔmo kasa mo yɛ mpanyimfoɔ a mo wɔ fie
na wo kasa wodi panyimfoɔ kasa wɔ sɛ agya mekɔ kan hɔ a bɛdi makyɛm ti ma yɛkɔ mu
okay
mekɔ kan koraa bɛdi makyɛm
okay
ma yɛkɔ mu nti honhom saa no ne kyɛ sɛ yɛakonya party bi a asɛ tetewa no di kɔn no kapra ne sɛmpoa ne manema no wo sɛ sɛmpoa bi wɔ hɔ ayɛ kama ɛtumi counterfeit nso so nti ne kyɛ sɛ sɛdeɛ party no kɔ no akoyɛ counterfeit of what we knew so because akofoɔ party ni na ayɛ sɛ dabi nyɛ no a foforɔ nso mekɔka use word bi yɛde f ne di ka no ɛsɛ Frimpong Boateng
dabi o sɛ prof sɛ wotena se a sɛ se paa hwɛ party a na wowɔ mu dadai na woka sɛ ɛyɛ foforɔ using word like sɛ party no ɛyɛ fake though wakyerɛkyerɛ mu kakra sɛ you meant the leadership but using the word fake on the NPP as it is do you still stand by that word still who say describe what best can say now say that word no you too harsh in your own
too harsh but it wasn't too harsh I just want to say it as it is no ya dream am who say baby ekono emfa enko ye party a yakọ to aba ye din ku go say ku go di mada awehosem ne nguasesem na wo mo edi yanim koye no
right
any woman ka ho a yɛhwɛ party nso no omia ni ho nkomo ne ho sa die na ba yɛ nti di san kugo no mo ka ho asɛm bia am so yɛn san kɔ bio sɛ de kɔ yɛn san kɔ bio na fe kɔ yɛn sesa no ne nko yi flabber nkɔ ansa na ya ba efom abeyi polling station ne constituency ne san ma no enye san na party ne te
ba so man kɔ yɛ na no yom kɔ yɛ constitutional reviews kakra change no kakra wo party no constitution and these things are there omo person omo timi de ye omo se yetwa kwan kro no a emwa odwunso gu fa ko etwa guru nti ese omo se sando ma se be ye beboa na party ni mo bedru because omo kire se entokwa na ewo mu so omo di kan yi flag bearer e be ma party ni base no
David and everyone e be say no
sir
because me dey me gidi say wo mo e de kon kugo no yin yo mu nyina free ho
sir
yes
party executive
ni flabber dada no and so because ono ba party executive no choose see anu a party headquarters akoye an extension of Bawumia campaign office no all this will stop and ono free one wo ma di eche ebo no ne party for no amtete one ne wo ma tete regions ase a bi wo akosku kama nso untim camera for no wo sankofo nyina say ono free o so
na ebi ntimi camera for and say brofo no de yes yetimi ka obi ka brofo ni de no wo fam otimi mua
baby yes wa ko school kama ko school kama
yes otimi ka bro
di school di kama school kase so
school ben no
really
Prof, but NPP, this is not the first time the candidate akwa kolusu. Ohwe na nado danko ekufuado a even 3 times on the third occasion the way to me. But Dr. Alhaji Mahmoud Bawumia di it seems like said the can say flag bearer in the kweb go wakolusu ni emfa ne ensin chene sa no mano. Is it not being too much harsh on the candidature of
you timi ka say we kon na num ansana ade dey na haye. Just say e kwankwa e fa so yi no chichim kofonsa womo ye wukine jinchi omusa womo am ye corruption ye bribe womo ena womo nya kugodon so intimidate womo
omo bribe
oh yeah, of course I mean see party ne ka ho chairman for any manama delegates no union ne office no pi ka ho so they come and tell you what happened and the chance say san kugo we say no baby a enka executive for nyina maka say ya nya de womo ye free ona yempe an interim chairman, interim committee, no money party name. Because see, they are all following this guy. And that is not right. Jamaican, we should not, we see, Jamaica, and they say, so we're a very special person, be. So, Eddie and Kawaka say fine. But I don't see any special and I go for the okay. Those days they were different. So party in so be from so say into another chance. Fine.
But there are concerns about NPP being a can-dominated party into any park and the Professor Frimpong Boateng and so is that not the reason why you are pushing on say Bawumia financing change? Because they be complaining about tribal sidelining and all that.
When I complain on one account Bawumia can was say Sebi President what he say of North and he said or qua a bear gonna phone to another doctor so mammy on one account
you didn't answer
and I'm telling you sir I don't see any special skills want you say you're taking unnecessary risk. So, and let me say,
as an economist,
economists, they don't create jobs, they don't create wealth. They manage economy, they manage what you have. Economy, let me say, of a campaign, only name the limit of economists. And what you know, Debiano, or countries come my conference pediation, bridging the technology gap. Only say, a quite senior first of all, be a scam or man. And what you, or Bawumia set up teachers fund, this animal man. Economy just say what you say now Kasana just say escaba. No. You have to and for what we hear woman industrialists, universities, research institutions, animal. Now they all say because my economist me be money that is not true.
But utie mompenimfo bi so party mu a omo chese Bawumia had lots of ideas na nkopes wo de ba ebeboa but I say ya ma no kwan me say utie we kakra na ye to aso ya osafo mafo asem kakra bi awaka
me say economic management team no ye chairman Dr. Bawumia na say only papa committee na we say owo stress daye owo tira emu na efu daye Omano who and Funtabro, Omano what in Grino, or Yen and Botano. Obey chairman of economic management.
Ain't he utie we no say or say omoko meeting he had those ideas.
Political talk. This is political rhetoric. Political talk. Real word this an tell. Tell me, fear who could say China on police bureau no go for Xi Jinping and paying from Bumano. All of them are engineers. Almost 98%. Chemical engineering, this engineering, electronic engineering, this I don't want the Bumano. And yeah, economy minister and man. So when you have created the wealth, then the economists will tell you so. Then you say it's just Empo the management of the Ministry of Finance. When you have what they saying accountants as ministers, things become better than say economists or this. If you say could you buy the minister? And I said Tepe, look at how they manage the Ministry of Finance. And look at what the others are also economists, they are on their fire. So, yeah.
But said Tepe into finance. Finance and so many are there. I mean, is related to economy.
Yes, but say most of the time, economists and the finance and economic planning show So.
And so having an economics at least or party NDC so performance they are being touted for the economy or more my interest rate, dollar exchange rate no ma amount for any agise to manage economic indicators
that is MP reform your problem no. Okay. Economic indicators that this is not sustainable development. No. But I know do what you can awesome. Jobs are no create. What has been the contribution of university to job creation, wealth creation, industry, GDP. We also can when you say we just give you another support you now still not stabilize. This is not sustainable development. But I know they do what but they say Ghana
doesn't need an economist.
we need economists. Economists are almost too say just a campaign. Yeah, when you say me economy no say na a bit what could do. Name mono as an able to do or see creative wealth and creative jobs through science and technology. So yeah, she said Debia me kasa asemi ko University of Ghana take here, you know, ko chemical engineering, electronic engineering, ko ma mo hwe meteorology, wo meta say jimi adwuma, wo tito enya bi anye. So we have to be serious with them because they are going to create the jobs for the future. Yeah, ebe ma obia ho atono. And yes, you could exchange this and man. This is not sustainable development.
Wow. Among the candidates who do you think said the description ya may or fitting into that?
Maybe I'm not rooting for anybody. I'm not endorsing any one of them.
Okay.
Do you hear any party no? Say one more if dear Google no be free ho na yenyanko for from Babeso party no na ya building a year. Just say you call election when see am winning. Be them you say you boy brave ya you bet win 2028. Some people boy brave ya 2020 bet winning. But you say one more dear Google you do me sinchai.
Executives no.
Any frag better no. You no kwaya no. Any executive for see na that support no because their survival depends upon his success. I'm telling you.
But these people are also saying say omoni nkrofo ya na omo wo ho abra na won so wo ministerial appointment na wo bo udwuma. But at the end of the day omo gina mu kakra ya adwuma wan describe omo as fake when you were actually in position. But other than as you say now be describe omo as fake while they are still doing
Obiaji tum say Nana Kufuor the first term no was far better than the second term.
Okay.
Obiaji tum sa.
Right.
So that answers your question. We have to be serious. You your weaknesses because any may be why and this is for ya and koye but yanko for intimi nka. So on the amateur. But yeah, on what side we can do.
Omu intimi nka.
Omu intimi nka.
Ade den echichiro.
Well, say bra boy enti na ama they say I say ya chichiro so ya chichiro. So
if say current executives no omo besa kope I mean say you beto aba mama was at na ho bim I mean when they are done with this particular flag bearership ni no man ya there say koba ne say ene bi a JFK asako we wini all the others ako omo wini flag bearer ya osi wono so nko trenching e bi a ono so ako we wini a would that I mean, push you out of the party. I remember every party anymore and say, because they will be the same leaders.
Okay, then we get the same results. Tio. You were tell them go for Casadian. You talk a kese. Also, Pestia, they are showing some. With the care, because I can't accident the kese. You may be a prepare, be the intensive care, be the say, oh, yeah, what driver, what should I am? And you see you about and chain. One more who made you for a bob watch executive when I be a prepare a door by chair. Still, ya don't to one. Kai, when you see ye was the surface statement, but I was fucking a year, Miss Fanco. Yes, sir. Whom you say Sicano. Near who said, Bibia, come. One more prepare, no. Yes, ya should be a year. Ama ayekama asana yakope driver afi ti de o kan say ya wan ko amna na yin aduma no ne je say obeso che say wo sua kan no di wura no ni master na amna kan na adase bia ni master no ko asori ko sera ko ado de carry ba say okoye yara are you trying to tell me that say oh master no che no mama nya aduma this is question of course on the question of can't no yes and no we have to take responsibility. This is a nation you see much so we have to be very serious and in many umbrella but them did say you am free one no my dig go in every one you been your for magic party that's more important than the comfort cano.
But still, NPP will need someone to lead the party for 2028. And you know, among the 5 candidates.
I'm not going to endorse any one of them. It will be better because then we'll get a chance. The very party for that's must make no. Obi no. You be near kwanya. You bet me a party no for.
But any nipa mienu bia wo yomu si nchen ya obi anko obi ahoden ko pe your assessment no for no aka no omu hwan na hu so stand tall to lead the party.
You will not get me to endorse any one of them. So
because
question be say wait my done no pray duasa and you say me ka say we na me pe no na say bisa me dem say one more edie ko nya accident no ya ka na ase ya nya ka ne ye no one more
many Professor Kwabena Frimpong and the Echichenko, former Minister for Environment, Science, Technology and Innovation, heart surgeon. So now
I'm a straight over. I need a very serious part. So,
but Prof, looking at NPP, conflicts a womb, and Tawantawa a womb, see, we anyway in my voice be cramming over Shasi. Oshe tie de Dr. Brian Champon Kasses and Kwanso number 1 Mukran Kebe. It's just a passing
campaign.
Sure. Na Utieti Asienswa, we tuma we attempt the near dear air cosui near Dinano. Party no winim dadano, quite by now, mobile faswa. A better call it that demo assume womb because your other parties or Macom stage be Mubasi we need yachedo.
And say chance and Jina executive. Especially national. She said Dambuchi, Obeas Secretary General. No, sir. Young man. Basido see conducting himself, no. Everybody respected him and the work that he was doing. We are quite out, we are paying you. Sir, even John Bodukra, Obe General Secretary, said, no, you papia. Then, when you lose control, Mugina Mako Jina Bakwachi, I can see, Mugina Mako Bakwachi. That doesn't give moral courage to discipline anybody or to say, because be neutral. Make us say, who support to be cram, man, couch him.
Are they biased now?
Oh, they are biased.
How?
Oko party headquarters on Kenya, Bawumia pictures in Kwana now who what man can now think for where you picture Ankobo?
Party headquarters.
Bawumia pictures in Kwana. Because Kenya almost say, oh, one man can be a funny part in the picture and I say it doesn't work like that. So what I'm saying is we are all supposed to be just neutral. Nejo be a what regions no. Regional chairman be now because apart from the old fiber now. I mean, it's all like that. Say, Giobia Atum. Nase, Joba Twamano, no Twamano. Asma, no. So, yes, sir, you appear to be neutral, and then Tawantawabia ma economy.
Coming 31st, our mo Yekui flag bearer. I mean, Oshe said, ye, I see a hot here. Any said the encasaye no etia. Ususu say delegates no. Why partner omu pushino utumu say utini din wase ho pa kese.
The way can I say delegates say mutie me a. Mutie Professor Frimpong Boateng. Masimane say. Munyi Bawumia sinchen. No no fu wa. Ebetiminya mkofo foforo am ba chichiri party no foforo because executive for Moses say no o mo twen say oba be flag bearer say o mo nya anya kwan tatra ho party no chichiri na ehia me oh say nanu say me ko kan bi say last 20 December last year no Mantoaba no be say adentina from Paul Boateng o ma misa me po
me kan me ba home po dentina wa Antoaba
okay and say can I say a mature report? Na minimum say one more a what bemu any party no garanti a do muti. So na say one find your juma. Satana mo court. Every can na mo court. Gabriel should have put in court. Say my boni do report Captain Koda. I need ko form you kan. A week to about 2 weeks to the elections, you know, we're going to court. Maybe 4 times in a week.
Wow.
We party for at the court because you have written a report. We present a board party. Now, where a dear Nigena, waiting the now castle Kotoba. One won't see a person man talk to about because I'm a choir. Because I came out of
We from.
As so no main person I need to know. Jamitin baby because now a idea a buffum by say won't you and you be as a Kotoba and if you say party out don't know, open so you know. Party for no for be do court.
At that time, no sen ka polling stations or Kotoba on the ballot paper no ka e bi anka onto my NPP.
No, make us to my NPP. E bi aka mess but just say to just be neutral na me ko to na akofas mbia abreme. I will be down or here baby ha. Timanko.
But me see we interview kakra. And then you were actually saying say only Paul Adam Ochre. Now, as someone now can say you didn't vote. Obviously, why didn't you vote? Because Bawumia.
Why didn't you vote?
Dr. Alhaji Mahmoud Bawumia was the candidate then. Eti said you can be na. I mean, man could go Bawanko, but you stated as say you didn't feel like voting for Bawumia because of kwanya or faswa ebia obeli did the party. And no nama why one of them which is that.
Because the party politics and sorry. So yeah, just say I say I'm something.
89 court case, you know, they better to say sideways, but intentional.
Just say there are a lot of issues. So and you have because so my main but who can you now boom now because I'm pembe bintra.
Send you can be about me and me and we knew.
Because me tutiano.
Say Bianca will call here with your support and Kabebuano.
Tutiano, but you can be Tiano.
Every vote count.
Yes, but man Casentiano, man can't a young but they said here, me party no wasn't hear me. We say free home. Sanko form to 2 party headquarters. And yet, one might take regions now. It's a woman. What we never now, woman paying for. And I said, Ranty animal bar, woman want him dear near what door near what a Brasia. Now, Uncle Besso Party no. Now, one more less can get you. I want to the party headquarters no. Uncle page for be I had a over. So, 2028,
Dr. Alhaji Mahmoud Bawumia, a bear flag bearer. Now, for unfortunate on what you wish, so be a flag bearer.
Tio,
would you vote for him?
Tio, me say, kana kunya kwenchia. Yinsi nwie. Ni prepare no. Kura be free hospital mai. We say we say ka no ani dabania we say the master amane kwan amane nsia ka ni kan ye no. Won san so stie no nko san franco bi. Enye yes sir.
Say omu aka na ye omu de ane fin say driver kro na ye manen fanko na dodo na sa de she driver ni nsemu sa aka na obetenem by voting for the candidate
omu am se kan omu de ane omu kwan omu ko vote
think count for aba
me say omu se kan omu de ane omu ko to maba ye kan question see Ghana see much we have to be very serious. In fact, if we have to kill our holy cows, let's kill them so that this Ghana will
that's serious.
Yeah, very serious. You know, I dear Branyabo. No money, don't you see the situation we are in? Baby, we are sick. You catch your baby. Say, what Ghana has here? You are a very educated person, very wise person. What you can tell me say in 5 years' time now, this is how agriculture in Ghana will be. What you can say education will be here. What you can say industry, what you can say job creation will be here. You cannot say anything because there's nothing going on. Yeah, will be some abucha say na dey nesi Ghana. Me nyase bi anka. Me timi ka say we have this plan and the plan must have road maps and mark points. I wouldn't say what do now 5 years, 10 years, you know. This is where it will be. There's nothing. That's what I'm saying, sir. I just say and Nyamisu and so many years because I just said Noah Ark and so on. One said Noah, young podcast on your Ark. We now or they Nipanugumu. Ark, not steer him, engine him. but because nyankopon na control akono oni be odo mefa the gidi nti odo mefa ko si be eye ma mo ye no ya to nyankopon asma twene ene nya de papa ena yesi ebu man no so man akoye no ark eni steer eni brake eni no say depo no mu na no ase ekọ ne ekọ yefa efa ne ekọ we must have a plan. Yeah, and it's a radio station and we be we call it from America. Besides, say now country in the quite fan. Also, this is the plan that we have. Agriculture will be this, industry will be this, education will be that, job creation this product to come out. America, or they say you can say we produce cherry tomato. We did this irrigation, polio vaccine. Dear ne ka Ghana ha. E kwan ben ye ba nti wo mo universities no bet faso na enya bibi. We have over 200 universities in this country. So there's no university America order. About 2 years ago. Ashesi University.
Yeah.
A branch I think it's a producer I think it was either a braking system or a shock absorbing system. Yeah. It was so good. And kasi foundry machine to be and factory beer. And that product alone we can upgrade it. That's a car company because it will fetch this country a lot of money. We call Garden Academic City University. We call Central. We call University of Ghana. We call Tech. But but yes, also there. This is what I'm saying.
Baby, our vision, we are very innovative. Baby, our vision, we know my work. Looking into your party, the 5 candidates, no, 4 no, Akanwa, or Romono.
What's our question? I don't know.
Me person me who say that vision would jidis or monumu be a bit me carry. Having a plan for the nation.
When it's over, we'll comment on that. But for now, no, to get a new people to run the party, no, the old ones should go away. This is my message.
But the old one, yeah, we can say should go away. What the Dr. Bawumia can't win. Now, when they are actually praising him for the economy, no my attorney around that. Omoka gold board as Koswa, gold for reserve. They talk about idea. Dr. Alhaji Mahmoud Bawumia, a pioneer, which is to help say domestically. You better to go the deal mining who money at the only praise gold for reserve.
8 years. Nasi antima fine year you say and this for by 1 year. I mean,
but how good for reserve no? Or no a champion no more. So those in a country ni movie
the champion man here who the effect.
Oh sir.
And don't never call 17. What I'm saying is that we have to be sure. Let's put politics aside. What was our idea now? And 8 years. Young champion find judgment and this is for by within 6 months, 1 year. No, on this idea. Did you say we don't even know how to implement our own decisions, our own ideas. And fun.
Wow. Professor Frimpong Boateng enya who say why a flag bearer or pray saying ka be flag bearer pain.
Yeah, president I think I'm to say that John has a
nanka ope president you wa pray flag bearer pain. Already mu say in the near future said you no make ya o flag bearers ya say untimi hu de obeyi no kra sa abri obewure mu akoprebie
dabi
umpebiem
manyi
ba so obedi mampani anke beboy
dabi sese me panyi ye empe ko for papa ne mo awo na ye fi enim de ye say me corporate private and say me ko post bi adi o eni me busi afa ko peska abeya akesesem no o many ye yo it's na ye pe but Ghana has say no obiti be catch yourself from Bob watching when I answer tomorrow because oba we need Nhyira man you can say oh my left into yan tomorrow
a man can say oh my left
was oh my left yan tomorrow yes
is all we can kwa unyina kran for mu de omo tomorrow
so it says my teacher be no ji mama yam teacher party ni here eno ni here na fe yenya obi a we tie futu a ya bono na omana kuren
Right. Next week, what will be your final word to the party? 333 centers, about for Bekoso, over 200,000 delegates. And then I'll be show.
I'm saying Canada. Say media, the Mepan said, one more idea come Kugono. When you are missing change, the free old Faber, any executive we are on Nanaway, no one penko for the party year. Now, more year, dear 2028 your chance because you're going to say, and it may be a while, or say, you can, and so one more idea come Kugono, Timika. Omotimika, and you say, campaign crowd against any of this for campaign. It will be difficult because there are certain things they have to say, but they don't have the moral courage to say a thing. And the American no, won't dump the old ones. And I'm pay for. Okay.
Ending on this note, you know, matter say JFK they will connect.
Me.
What the crata say you be you free party into no crowd or the letter no crowd command neck say or moon shiny and frew. Are you ready to go? What can I mean? Tintin Fiji Unya letter be an invitation.
I'm not expecting any letter. Many not quite similar letter be a free headquarters.
And to neck, you know, a frewa, Obeko.
We say, but me can't. We see me letter be a letter in a bar, and you say, a letter in a bar. I say, we may know, baby, but we say, Prof.
Say, letter no bar, Beko.
My letter in Ransa, do much room. Now, besides, say, Tio. A trabia, if you can't be a young and fat, and it's again a young be a M1 a. What can you be a free party no more? As I say, then in the Pacon to me. The Pacon ultimate say on capacity in Wassam. Ultimate say, or Oscar on farm more party. Ultimate say on campaign for the party. There's nothing that you can bar the person from. Apart from say, oh, my party official, Mr. Mukasa, chairman beardy. So, until what you may free me, party bill, but they say a brandy or tea, and to which my cousin said, Obi on count in this NPP, when Ultimate NPP as them. Ultimate say on contribute to the party. Ultimate say on to my party. No, a ban, I say, it doesn't mean anything. Until we are just wasting our time. And once I say, oh, well, you know, free, well, you know, free, for what? Then on your free. And I didn't toss him.
Just a good party in whom fiend. Fake
me say me so I'm free more. Me feel cry.
Feel
Debbie.
JFK ni wo mo account party adwuma ma be yo free mo feel mo cry.
Debbie.
Hey, any other say
baby am dia ko do na nya me ko finish say.
This is
JFK no cry no. Me no, me shan da. Me nim ko say me ko share no abonte so we tete o certain thing me nim.
While party secretary.
Me no. Me share da.
Hey,
me share that say me no kasa say no. We have me share me ni no kra.
Na so wo party, me na wo party secretary dey.
Me party man na me na say me do secretary chairman man. It's on my business.
So mo ye bibi na nya nka bitimi akọ kra na otu omo funi and you don't even see them.
Me ko mo efa.
Wow.
So they also should make an attempt to see and I say I wish the party were but they say pekwan so if you want the party if you say party no nya ne to my pekra me akwa ma share na da ho no onim ya adwena fine nti delegates no mun yo mu free ho na mun penko for magistrate party ni ye na mun magistrate party ni ya enna bo nya nyina so akasa etia anase mun ni endis for nya kansie no mutuma nya bibia kan ayesa dia what to talk papa so adie na ekoka bio the equi 8 years go the end say ideas you have to 5 years na nya hwe and this is for by the moye na because so the other year 20 no mutuma side no it is just lame excuse.
We experienced person 2028 o hwe de ekosisi kakra ya enka message ben pa na de be ma NPP to carry along because we say eno na be ma na asesa
makan ben plan na be shase be say monyi Bawumia sinchai any executive
for the party itself so be carry along
party yam penny papa for a ometima CC party ni ye chairman for secretary for our regions especially Ashanti region so any regions aka no na because very sad say asaribedi akon no be corporate chairman wa Ashanti region na yes we trans cinema sa
Sir.
Why?
Why?
We governor no.
You governor ha. Your friends say Prof.
You go school ke say before boy say just about who follow.
Professor Frimpong Boateng. And open better dance.
Sir governor, we go catch you say professor, a community no kasa.
Or the common the wound na.
Kasa. Oh. We governor say no catch you.
Prof, yeah, that's your pay. I'm happy meeting you today, and we have a wonderful conversation. Nhyira. All right. I wish you, Professor Frimpong Boateng, and Otis Prof, what are my chanka clear bina Otis Eminent Chenko